Hi, Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing, telephone number 07836 353 985. We're doing a power flush today in Radcliffe, Manchester. The system's an open vented central heating system. The customer is a British Gas customer, and they've called us because they need a power flushing on the central heating service. So they certainly do as well. The colour of the water, it's really black and sludgy. It's like engine oil. We'll just show you. So we've hooked into the system, we've taken the pump off, capped everything off in the loft. We're going to clean the header tank out later. We're going to do the job 100% properly, basically. So if you don't know what power flushing is, we'll quickly explain. Power flushing is just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, through your radiators, your boiler, your pipework, etc. Just getting all the rust and corrosion and metal out of the central heating system. Power flushing is the best thing you can do, as long as it's done professionally, which we do it professionally. Our work is fully certificated to BS 7593 standard. You will receive a certificate upon completion of the power flush stating the power flush has been done and it's been done correctly. I'm also a fully gas safe registered engineer, very important. We sometimes need to get into the boilers, give them best possible flush, take components off. If your company's not gas safe registered, they're not legally allowed to do that. Okay, we only use the best equipment and chemicals, being the Camco range of pumps, magnets and chemicals. We've got the FX2 chemical in there now, very good chemical, breaks down all the rust and corrosion. Alright, we've got the CF90 Quantum 2 power flush pump on the go, and we've got the magnet hooked in there. We're going to show you the magnet later. We expect it to have quite a lot of rust and corrosion on it, just because of the colour of the water. Okay, we're going to tell you the areas we cover, our prices. We basically cover a 60 to 70 mile radius of our hometown. We're based in Bramwell, Stockport, Cheshire, and we cover 60 to 70 mile radius. That's basically Cheshire, Lancashire, parts of Yorkshire, parts of Stafford, parts of Derby, Nottinghamshire, for our power flushing service. If you're in Blackpool, we'll come to you. If you're in Chester, we'll come to you. Sheffield, you know, we get around. Our prices are up to 50% cheaper than the major utility companies such as British Gas, Home Serve, Eon, etc. So if you are a British Gas customer, you're going to save in excess of £300 for our power flushing service. Okay, so we've got a lot to do, so we're just going to get on with this job, and we'll get back to you later on. Hi, Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing. Okay, back to this job in Radcliffe. We've taken a magnet out now, and have we got a magnet to show you the rust and corrosion that's coming out of this system? It's unbelievable. I'm going to zoom in on it actually, just so you can still hear us, so we don't need to get too near the pump. Right, this is a magnet. You can see how thin it is at the bottom, but can you see the rust and corrosion and metal that's coming out of this central heating system? And there's some fairly big pieces on here as well. Let's just zoom in a little bit more if we can. Can you see that? Now you imagine that going through your boiler, especially combination boilers now with the small plate heat exchangers, diverter valves, flow switches, etc. That's just going to wreck your boiler. And not only that, if the manufacturer sends their engineers out, we're going to zoom out. If the manufacturer sends their engineers out and finds all that rust and corrosion and metal in your boiler, the boiler's broken down, it could actually invalidate your warranty, and you may have to fork out for some fairly new some new parts, or even possibly a new boiler if that's got into your heat exchanger. We replaced the boiler about 6 months ago. It was a Valent, it had overheated, all that stuff had got caught in the heat exchanger, and it had completely written the boiler off. We had to replace the boiler. So it's of the utmost importance that you get this rust and sludge and corrosion out of your central heating system. Okay, it's starting to rain now, so we can't really film anymore, so we may get back to you later. If not, the job's going alright, getting a good flow around the system, so the job is going to be a complete success anyway. We will give you our telephone number now, just in case we can't get back to you later because of the rain. It's 07836 353 985. Our website is pro-powerflushing.co.uk. We also supply and fit boilers, and we always power flush the central heating systems. And as we said before, we cover the whole of the northwest UK area and beyond. Okay, thank you very much.